Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel Insider's View. Today, we are diving into the world of essential tools for electricians, and we've got something special, the wire stripping pliers. These multifunctional beauties are a game changer for anyone working with cables. Whether you're an electrician or a DIY enthusiast, these pliers are a must-have in your toolbox. Now, what makes these pliers so unique? Well, they are not just your average wire strippers. They are multifunctional, making them incredibly versatile for various tasks. First up, the wire stripping function. These pliers are designed to effortlessly strip insulation from wires, ensuring a clean and precise cut every time. No more struggling with manual strippers. Just place the wire in the jaws, squeeze, and voila, perfectly